This is the afternoon update. This is for Thursday, the 26th of October. This is James Spann. Alabama's weather dry again today. Prospects of rain just not looking good really for the next 10 days as the drought continues to intensify, but a major temperature change coming up next week. This is the upper air look today, and again, we've got that big upper high sitting right on top of us. Sinking air, no chance of rain with that. That deflects the major rain producers well to the north and west of here. Here's the visible satellite view, kind of a cool look there. We got a field of cumulus clouds across the state. Those are fair weather cumulus clouds. The closest rain this afternoon over parts of Arkansas and Texas, and that will stay north and west of here. Another warm October day. We've got many spots over 80. Birmingham, for example, 82. Tuscaloosa, 83. Montgomery, 84. Huntsville, 84. Low 80s for Mobile and Dothan. We'll see numbers like that right on through Sunday. But again, some big changes coming up next week. Up north, winter storm warnings in effect for parts of Wyoming, Montana, North Dakota, Minnesota. And some of the air coming over that snowpack we will start to feel early next week. Got a marginal risk of severe storms through tonight for parts of southeast Texas. Tomorrow, no organized severe weather expected, and the same thing on Saturday. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, and for a state that needs rain, that's not very encouraging, just not anything meaningful. There could be a few sprinkles with the cold front Monday, but beyond that, just no sign of any beneficial rain. And the new drought monitor was released this morning. And again, you can see that we now have an extreme drought. The areas in red over parts of southwest, northeast, and northwest Alabama. And the only part of Alabama in good shape, it's parts of Lee County, really east of Opelika. Other than that, it's not a good-looking map. And I'm afraid the next one we see, this is released once a week. The one we see next Thursday won't look good either. So in the tropics, former Hurricane Tammy is now an extratropical system. It's not a classic warm core tropical system well to the east of Bermuda. And they're giving this a 30% chance of acquiring tropical characteristics again as it sits there in the same place over the next 7 days. But basically things are awfully quiet across the Atlantic Basin. So, model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 12Z run, valid tomorrow afternoon at 4. Got the upper high on top of us, troughing back to the north and west, and no major change. A warm day, highs low 80s in most spots, the sky partly sunny. Same thing on Saturday as the weekend begins. Highs 80 to 84, partly sunny. Rain for Little Rock and Tulsa, and snow falling on Saturday from Denver up through much of Nebraska. How about that? A little pre-Thanksgiving snowstorm there. This is Sunday. The ridge holds. That's keeping the rain north and west of here. And Monday, the front begins to push in here. And there could be a little light rain with the front, a few showers. But again, we don't expect anything meaningful. But boy, what a thermal contrast setting up. This is Monday afternoon at 4 o'clock. And this is off the GFS model, the American GFS. And again, you can see at that point we have potential for temperatures in the 40s for places like Cullman, Haleyville, Hamilton, Huntsville, and the Shoals, and 80s over southeast Alabama. That's a 40-degree spread on Monday. But the cold air is going to keep on coming to the south, and in Halloween, which is Tuesday, everybody will be in cool air. Highs in the 50s for the northern half of the state, 60s over South Alabama with a cool north breeze. This is Wednesday. Wednesday morning, we're going to see a lot of spots with potential for the first freeze of the season over the northern half of the state. We're expecting lows in the low to mid-30s. The day will be sunny and cool with highs mostly in the 50s, and this is a week from today, Thursday, the 2nd of November. The flow goes zonal, and again, we're cool and dry, and we'll probably see highs back in the 60s as a warming trend begins. Let's go out 10 days. This is Sunday, the 5th of November, troughing passing north of the state, and that might bring a little rain in here in 10 days, but the key word there is a little. That doesn't look like a major rain event. And this is certainly not encouraging. This is coming off the GFS ensemble. The mean for the next 15 days is under 1/2 inch. Just not much at all. But again, November marks the beginning of the tornado season, and at some point, things will crank up. We'll begin to see more frequent rain producers and storm systems, and considering climatology and the time of the year. Here's a look at the numbers coming off the NBM National Blend of Models. Look at that. Low 80s tomorrow, Saturday, Sunday. Now, Monday's high of 76. Now, this is for Birmingham, but that high could come during the morning, and temperatures will likely fall through the day, maybe reaching the 50s or even 40s by late afternoon. So remember, temperatures probably going the wrong way Monday. And then by Halloween on Tuesday, the high 59, and by Wednesday and Thursday morning, lows in the mid-30s in the city, which means many places will see low 30s and a chance of a freeze. So be aware of that. That's Wednesday and Thursday morning of next week, the 1st and 2nd of November. And I don't have the new 8 to 14-day guidance in just yet. The time I'm doing this at 2:51. Yesterday's is still on the website there, but temperatures in early November, this is through the 2nd through the 8th, would be near average if this forecast verifies. Let's roll that kid cam. Yes, indeed, a gym full. I like a packed peanut gallery. We had it today. This is Welty Elementary School in Cullman County. Love being in Cullman County. Had a great time today. And let me tell you what, those cookies are, wow, those are outstanding. I love the state bird cookies. That's too cool. But, boy, those were just great. But that's a marvelous school. We had pre-K all the way through 5th grade in today, and everybody was in the gym, and we just had so much fun talking about weather and science and cool stuff like that. So, again, to all of my pals at Welty Elementary School in Cullman County, you guys are looking awfully good. Tomorrow going to be at Forest Oaks Elementary School. That's a Shelby County school in Chelsea. And then tomorrow evening, back in Chelsea for the Friday night rivals game of the week, Hewitt Trustful at Chelsea. I'll be on ABC 3340 at 4, 5, and 6. Blitz game day over on our sister station, My 68 at 6:30. And then at 7 o'clock, the game itself over on My 68. And again, no book signing this Saturday. We're going to take a day off. How about that? Don't forget to catch us this evening on television, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great evening, and God bless.